So this one is on high, as you can see, and it is struggling to come out. I've done the cleaning on it. This is not the full high. If you can see, this one is on full high, and it is trucking along. That is my newer one that I just got. I got more because I needed more. This one's struggling. And now this one I'm putting back in. So I've just plugged it back in. I'm going to turn it all the way up too. Give it a second. I can feel the air coming. But still nothing coming out of it. It's been on for 30 seconds now. Still nothing coming out of it. You can kind of hear its fan working. Gonna let it stay on for a minute and a half. So it's been on for about a minute. And still nothing is coming out again. It's on full high. And that's about 1:30 and still nothing is on it coming out. It's still on full high and there's no presentation. And again, this one is one that I just got. Over here, I just got another one because a different brand had died and I thought, and this one is just trucking along. And I just got this last week and today is April 16th, 17th, 2023. So, and this one's going, you can see it's not even half all the way up and it is just like pouring.
As you can see, this thing is tiny. I'm gonna throw a Roku remote to it just to show you the scale of this thing, but yeah, it is very small. It does put out a decent amount of vapor, but the problem ends up being that it needs refilled constantly. So I keep mine in the corner here, and you are able to just pop that out. That's how you refill it. And then once I put some more water on it, just pop it back on there, turn it on. I'd say overall, it does what I expect it to, but having to refill it daily is a bit annoying.
This is my raydrop humidifier. It's one of my better buys. It is very quiet. It's ultrasonic. It puts out a cool mist, so you don't have to worry about burning your hand. The top just pops off, and there's a little spout on the bottom. That's it. I recommend it.
Está muy hermoso. Pero yo pensé que era vaporizador, pero que tiraba el agua caliente, pero es un vaporizador que tira agua fría. Pero está muy hermoso. Es igual como sale en la foto ahí en Amazon. Está bonito, excelente.
want you to wear this wire. Next time you meet with St. Patrick.
Are you high on crack cocaine? No fucking way.
We need proof, Angeles, that can save Mary. Steer St. Patrick into getting that on tape. The problem's over.
Hey everyone, this humidifier is working really well. I would recommend it to everyone. I'm gonna give it a 5 star.